Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all so much for all the love and support in the last few videos. If you like this look here, it's kind of like my cross between like a gothic grunge and like a little color pop look. If you like the way it looks, stay tuned. I'll show you exactly how I did it. As per usual, we're going to start with the eyebrows. Definitely still waking up this morning, but we're going to get there, you know? I actually get to go in a little bit later today, so that's kind of nice. Give myself a little bit more sleep this morning. Maybe that's why I'm a little tired, because I overslept. That's probably what it is, but we're just going to work with it, you know? It was great sleep, got up, did my yoga, and then just got to my makeup, you know? Alright, now we just got to make the other side match. Okay, now that we out here looking grouchy old Mox, we're going to line it up, you know? Clean up that shape as best as we can here. Why do I consistently do that every single time on that corner? I swear. That's all right. We're just gonna fill that back in just a moment. Let's continue to cut that out. No, I do know what it is. It's because I got this new brush. It's not as easy to control as the rounded one, you know? At least just because I'm used to that one. It's exactly what it is. It's just because I'm used to it. But that's okay. Eventually I'll be used to this one too, you know? Alright. And we definitely gotta make sure we do this part too. I'm gonna repeat on the opposite side. Okay, now we got our war paint on. We just gotta pat it out. I always like to do it just on my eye part first versus my whole face, just because if I do spill eyeshadow, which 9 out of 10 times, as you guys know, I definitely do spill the eyeshadow. It's easier to clean up versus if I do my whole face first, because it'd be quite irritating to wipe off half my face. So I just try to stick just around the eyes, if you know what I mean. Okay, so now that the eyebrows are pulled, we go on to powder. With the powder, we're just gonna set that on there. Just basically so nothing transfers over and the eyeshadow goes on a little bit easier. It doesn't stick in one spot, you know. Now, for the look we're going for, it's going to be more of like a dramatic kind of like gothy look. We're going dark today, okay? So when I've seen this done before, usually the girls that I've seen do it, they kind of just put an eyeliner and then kind of mess it up with shadow and mascara. So that's what we're going to go with, kind of like a look, if you know what I mean here. And they say, don't even worry about making this like perfect, because the idea is just to get the basic shape. You're gonna mess it up anyways. I'm not really sure how well this is gonna work out, but I'm gonna try it. I might freak out some kids at work today, but should be okay. Should be fine. Maybe I'll throw in like a neon green to kind of brighten it up first so it's not so gothy dark, because I am really pale anyways. I think that'll look really good. Let's do that. Okay, so now that we have those basic wings, we're not going to do too much. I'm going to go throw in some lime green here on the lid. Okay, so now that I got the lime green on my lid, I just put it on my lid exactly. Kind of messy. We're gonna take some black eyeshadow on this angled brush and just kind of, I guess, blend out that liner. Because again, we don't want it to be clean. This is kind of like a gothy, like grunge look, I guess. Ooh, this all big liner, honey. Big liner. Okay, and I kind of want to do it underneath too here. I think I'm going to put some green under here too. And let's make the other eye match. Okay, so now I'm going to take my mascara and just kind of like tap it over here to create that kind of like grunge look. Same thing across the top. do the same thing to the other side here. Okay, so now I'm going to finish off my eyeliner here. Okay. And do the same thing on the other side here. Go in with our jumbo pencil and just kind of open up those eyes again, since we did use a lot of heavy black. Alright, I'm going to put mascara on and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I do want to brighten it up a little bit so I don't look too much like I want to kill myself. So I'm going to just put some glitter dots into that black area. I'm kind of drawing it in like a cross pattern, although it's not quite showing up that way. And we're just gonna make them kind of like fall down my eye from like that corner area. Almost makes it look like little tear droplets coming down. I don't know if that's necessarily a good thing. We're kind of going with it though. I'm kind of liking the way it's looking. That doesn't look too shabby. I kind of like it. Okay, a little messy, a little glitter. Okay, I like it. I like it. Should I put some? No, we're just gonna leave it like that. That's cute. Okay, and I'm gonna do the other one. All right, and I decided I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter right there as well. I already did it on this side and I thought it looks really cute. And then I'm thinking maybe across the middle of the top as well here. That's cute. We'll do the other side too. I'm just gonna add some of this silver glitter to the inner corner here. Just lightly dab it because this goes on pretty strong. Cute. Okay, I'm gonna put on my eyelashes. We're gonna use the more dramatic ones because this look is kind of more dramatic. Now we got the eyelashes on, we just gotta put the face makeup on here. Luckily I don't have any breakouts or anything, so we don't have to do any extra cover up, just the cream. I do more face powder here. Set everything on the face. Okay, so now we're gonna take the Balm contour and we're gonna contour it out. With me, because I already have really high cheekbones, I don't ever want to like kind of carve out the apples of my cheeks because they're already quite prominent, and it'll kind of make them look more chubby if I do that. In other cases where if you don't have very high cheekbones, that's one way to help them kind of look more prominent. But in my case, I already have quite big cheekbones, so I don't really need to extenuate it more, and it'll make my face kind of look a little more chubby. We trying to get rid of the chubbiness, okay? That's why we contour the chin like so. We don't want no double chin either. Okay, so for the blush, we're gonna find the apples of our cheeks by smiling. And then we're gonna drag it up the sides here. And kind of bring it upwards into this motion. All right, and then we're just gonna take our highlighter and dust it across anything that touches the light naturally. Okay, I'm just gonna fix my hair and I'll be back. All right, guys, this is the completed look. A little bit grunge, a little bit of edge, you know, but it's fun. I definitely am happy I chose to put a color in there to pop it because I am very pale and pasty and this would have looked very, very extra by itself, if you know what I mean. At least for me, because most people know I have a very happy, bubbly personality, so it'd be a little weird for me. But that's okay. Turned out great. Super happy with the look. And hey, if you guys liked it, make sure you smash that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.